Dell here, and again, it's something new put in front of me. These are called Kumquats, and this is the package and what they look like, and I'm assured that they're really tasty, but I've never had one. So, as far as I'm concerned, I've always stayed away from these things. And I might not even be able to get the package open. Maybe I can get out of this. Okay, there we go. Relatively easy to open. And I'm told that they look like little oranges or something. They got it like a feel like an orange. Don't really smell like anything, but I'm told you just pop the whole thing in your mouth. So what if you don't like it? You're kind of stuck. But let's just take the plunge. They're not that overwhelming, and I think, people have to develop a taste for these, so I'm going to keep after it, and maybe I'll develop a taste for it. It's kind of an initial little burst of flavor, and then you're chewing up the covering or whatever. So there's a little bit of work involved to get the taste out. I would imagine that if these are healthy, this would make kind of a nice snack, because some people like to eat while they're watching TV, and it'd be nice to have something that's beneficial for you, or at least something that's not detrimental to your health with a high saturated fat or a lot of sugar or a lot of this or that. Cholesterol maybe. I'd be willing to bet this item doesn't have any of those ingredients in it, or statistics. So they look kind of healthy and innocent. You'd think they sort of look like oranges. And that's another first for me. So, like I say, I'd have to develop a taste for it, but I'm in the process. You see, I'm in the process of doing that. So.
Aren't they like little mini oranges?
Little mini oranges. Signing off for now.